I just got the OnStage CM01 video camera digital recorder adapter. So you could take this and put it at the end of a boom, then attach any camera or camcorder to the top of it. So it has a 5/8 inch thread down here and your 1/4 inch male adapter up here. And it has a ball head so it can go 360 degrees. It has a lock. As you can see, you can move it around because it has the ball inside there. And then you can lock it in place where you want it with the knob on the side. And then it's not going to move. You can loosen that up, move it around if you need it, lock it back into place. And then you can unscrew or screw in your camera right here. I'm going to attach this camera adapter to the microphone boom. So just screw it on to the end of this boom here. So now that's attached to our boom. So if you had a camera or camcorder, you can most likely directly attach it to this piece here. I'll be using this phone holder, so I'll attach that by screwing it into here. You can also adjust this back and forth if you need to. As you can see, I'm just going to tighten this up here. Now you can take an overhead shot using your boom and the two adapters. Just place your phone in there, tighten up the phone adapter. And now you can use your boom for an overhead shot. Depending how you have it positioned, you might want to put a counterweight on the bottom leg here. The camera adapter was $14.95. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.